Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to create Gmail account. First, write Gmail in Chrome. Open Gmail. And select Create Account. Write your first name. Your last name. Write username which you want. Create password. Rewrite your password. Press Next button. In this page, choose your country and write your phone number. It will send verification code to your mobile phone. Write verification code and press Verify button. And here fill in month, day, year of your birth, and your gender. And press Next button. You can skip this page. In this page go down and press I agree button. Wait a second. Now your Gmail account is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you.